Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to do some topic called Idoc search, which is sometimes very important in real time. Okay, so okay, this is all. These are my complete slides of this course. If you really wanted, you can able to try this course. So there is no context to explain all these things now. Okay, I just walk you through. Okay, let me try to. Okay, so the important to learn today is Idoc search actually. So if you really wanted to learn this one, okay, I'm just providing link. You can subscribe the course so that you can have a very good idea. Real time, it is very important to know about Idocs. Okay, if you are not at subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And currently I'm holding around 4,000 students. So whatever the course, one of the topic I'm telling, which is relevant for this course, real-time IDOC training for SAP consultants with business. This is very important. Never neglect. It will be useful in your real time also. Okay. And if you'd like to get transportation basics, this is also one course is available. Total 19 courses available. So if you're already done with your course, you can try this one, getting master to write functional specification. So you'll have some cross questions, okay, for experienced professionals, and IDOCs also very important. Okay, all these courses SD, it is 95 hours. If you want, you can try all these courses. No one is stopping you. Okay, let's come to the topic. So let's go to W09 is the transaction. Now if you can see this is basically useful for to search your idocs actually. So okay, either you can give inbound or outbound direction and idoc number, and based on the status also you can able to check actually. Okay, certain times what happens if two systems are communicating, SAP system to non-SAP system or SAP system to SAP system, certain times you will get a scenarios like you have to search by field actually. Okay, so you have a W02 and W05 for searching your idocs and header and item, but certain times you have to search with if you know idoc, certain idoc, if it is failed as either inbound or outbound, and you would like to search by field sometimes. Okay, it's not so complex. At the same time, it's not so easy, certain scenarios to handle and support to handle the tickets actually. So if you look at here, so let me run this normally. Now the search, now you are getting right all your details actually, right? So you can get this one like this with idoc number, and you can see this idoc number and the date when it is created, the time of creation, and 1 and 2 inbound and outbound, and logical system from where it is going, the transferring partner, and the status, and the description, and idoc message type, and your test port, and all these are your header and item segments. Now you got it. Let's try to search with only one idoc. Okay, and in this I'm just taking even edk 01. This is the what I would say header. So I'm just taking Bellner. Okay, so Bellner. So the field name is Bellner, and the value, if you know the value, you can give also. Okay, I'm just giving this. Now for this idoc, you got all these segments, right? Certain times you can able to check. You are giving the direction and idoc number and value also. If you know the value also you can able to give. For example, this P1 number, I'm just giving, I'm just searching. Okay, now you can able to see this. All these are the different segments we have. Okay, so let's give the direction now as inbound, and see criteria for data records. You can search like this. Okay, the field and value also. So don't give this one. Let's search this. Still you can get it. No issues. Let's take out this one. How it behaves. See, now 3 we got it, right? So by this segment, it is got created 2 in Idoc with error 56 status. One is actual successful case. This is how you can able to check it out in these segments. For example, with this I have searched, right? So if you click here, you can able to see the values. Okay, qualifier. Let's click on this number. Say IDOC date, scheduled quantity, previous scheduled quantity. Let's try to even EDP 19. You check this one. Okay, material number used by vendor. So let's search this. You can search all these things, whatever you know. With that, you can give the field and you can search it like this. You can able to see this is important. That's why I'm just doing this video. And if you really like my video, you can subscribe my channel. And all these are the different courses you see, like for pricing only, this is advanced level 4.4 rating, and this one is there, and your rebates. And I have another course all put together. It's all about 21 hours alone for SD pricing. If you're not yet introduced to S4 HANA, you can try some courses available. See this package why I have done all these courses. If someone go through it, they can able to they can equip with some good knowledge, and they can able to easily crack the interviews. That's what I'm telling. In future I would like to do interview questions also. There is no worry if you are outsider or insider. It's good to go through my channel and courses so that it will helpful to grow yourself as a good consultant in SAP market. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. I think you have learned W09. One second, let me show you this one also. So now go to SE16 and so now EDI D4, right? Actually, with this table it is linked actually. Okay, you'll get all the data in this table also. Sometimes you might not have access for these tables, then you can search the T code you don't have access, then you can search here, and it is little clumsy. There you can able to search faster. So let's give the IDOC number, any one of the IDOC number. Okay, that's all for today. So if you want to learn in a detailed level, please subscribe my IDOC course so that it will be helpful to you. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind. Thanks for subscribing my channel.